Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I need some medicine, please.
Okay, what is the problem?
I have a headache.
I see. Do you also have a fever?
No, I don't.
Do you have a cold?
No, only a headache.
Okay, how long do you have this headache?
Since this morning.
Did you sleep well last night?
No, not really.
Did you drink enough water today?
I don't think so.
Sometimes that can cause a headache.
Oh, I see.
I can give you these pain relief tablets.
Are they good for headaches?
Yes, they are.
How many tablets do I take?
Take one tablet now.
Okay.
Then take one more after 6 hours if you still have pain.
Okay, thank you.
Do not take more than 4 tablets in one day.
All right.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't.
Good.
Do I need food before I take this medicine?
Yes, it is better to take it after food.
Okay, I understand.
Drink a lot of water too.
Yes, I will.
Anything else?
Yes, I also need something for a cough.
Do you have a dry cough or a wet cough?
A dry cough.
Okay, this cough syrup can help.
How often do I take it?
Take 2 spoons 3 times a day.
2 spoons 3 times a day.
Yes, that's right.
Is it okay before sleep?
Yes, it is fine before sleep.
Good.
Do you have a sore throat too?
Yes, a little.
Then you can also use these throat lozenges.
What are lozenges?
They are small sweets for your throat.
Oh, nice.
They can make your throat feel better.
Great. I will take them too.
Okay,
How much is everything?
let me see.
Okay.
The tablets are 5 pounds.
Okay.
The cough syrup is 7 pounds.
Right.
And the throat lozenges are 3 pounds.
So how much is that?
That is 15 pounds in total.
Okay, I can pay by card.
Of course, please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment accepted.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
One more question, please.
Sure.
When should I see a doctor?
If you feel worse, you should see a doctor.
Okay.
Also, if the headache does not go away after 2 days, see a doctor.
I understand.
And if your cough gets very bad, see a doctor too.
All right.
Get some rest and drink plenty of water.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.